When music meets engineering, that is what sparked Morel's loudspeakers. At Morel, we constantly seek to challenge ordinary speaker design. For over 40 years, Morel's product development has been innovating speakers to perfection. We believe speakers connect to listeners on an emotional level. To overcome acoustic challenges, our unique design process derives inspiration from nature. The lotus flower and the basalt rock are the origin of our low-resonance grills. Hand craftsmanship and attention to detail are at the heart of the production process. Over the years, Morel has inspired people to enjoy music all around the world, literally everywhere. The Morel sound beats in every speaker we make. This is our passion. Morel, unleash the music everywhere.